We're going to talk about food as a way to immerse her.
You should hear everyone's opinion.
No, any time we talk about food, I remember the
believe-
fried rice you ate during our first
See, she's
semester.
taking
And
tea
he
already.
was complaining with serious face in the class. Do you remember?
Who?
You ate fried rice. in
Oh,
class.
myself? Yes, of
Yes.
course.
Talking about the
And,
Yes,
and-
you are
and-
talking to us on that. Can you see the way to your heart right now? You stood up and I say fried rice is just color and all.
All right, let me talk about this since you guys want me to talk about it. So the thing is, I love food. If you know me, you know this about me. I love food, and I love fried rice. To be honest with you, but I hate it. Like I hate it with passion. If I see, especially a woman who cannot cook the genuine, like the right fried rice as it should be cooked. So last time here in BUK, I can't say the name of the restaurant, but they gave me something they call a fried rice. But literally, this is something like they just boiled a white rice, you know, give it some greenish color, and that's it. Like literally, that's it. They just mix it and bring it on my table like that. This is a fried rice. Yes, can you imagine? I just left it there, and I just took one spoon of it and I left it there. I pay for it.
I'm sure you frowned at your face.
Yes, I did. I
Frown
did.
your face.
I did. I will tell you. I did. And when I told them, look, I'm not eating this in the name of a fried rice. So you guys should take your money and go and learn how to do fried rice. So I came back to the class and I met you guys here, you know, including our captain. Can you show her face? Can you show our captain's face? So I was complaining.
So, Your Excellency, we will come back to you.
So I thought, I hope we're not bullying you and you're going to be part of this video. So I was complaining actually about the fried rice I ate. Like how on earth can a woman not know how to do fried rice? Just think of it, dan Allah ya za a ce mace bata iya fried rice ba jama'a. Kuma ma a restaurant.
A restaurant where you
To
pay
shine
your
ne na
money.
zo aji ina complaining cewa idan kawai fa baki iya fried rice ba kawai baki haɗu ba. Kuma a duniya ya kamata mata kowa kai mazan ma ku tashi ku iya fried rice.
Wow.
You can ask me, did I not eat fried rice? Well, I will invite you to come and eat my fried rice one day.
So can you fried rice?
Why?
kenan?
Of
Ka
course.
sha yin fried rice.
Of course. Of
So-
course. I
so-
wish I can show my wife on this video to tell you, to confess like
That's why I said
I can cook fried rice.
creating content creator.
Okay, can you show the camera here? Khadija is saying
That
something.
food content creating. From there, you can learn something. I mean, when you see them, they film video on how they make food and all, and they upload it on Instagram. So if you really wanted to know how to learn how to cook fried rice, you can go to Instagram. You see content creator, maybe on TikTok, they film the way they make how to make fried rice and so many dishes.
Yeah, sure. So if a restaurant doesn't know how to do fried rice, like there are like this person you've mentioned, is it Chef H or what?
Chef H and Chef Man.
Chef Hez or Chef Man?
There's Chef H and there's Chef Ma.
Chef Ma.
Yeah.
So this Chef Ma and Chef H, I think you can go over to their page. At least if you're a restaurant or you intend to start a restaurant or any eatery, to go and learn how to do fried rice.
But
Don't
it-
just
and
go
it-
and be
it
boiling.
works.
Sure,
You
I
can
think.
learn online.
Well, see, she said it.
Now,
Alexa,
nowadays, if you want to make money on social media, to me, the best thing that can bring money is food content creating. When you start, within just short period of time, you just blow. Because there was my friend, her name is Hannatu, on Instagram, This Ray of Sunshine. She started food content creating, like let's say in less than a year now, and she's doing fantabulous, like she's doing amazing. And I mean, she's inspiring me so much because if I wanted to cook something that I didn't know how to do, I do go check on Instagram and I cook for myself. Yeah.
guys, this person is my colleague, and after you watching this video, the next video I'm going to post is my interview with her on her passion for content creation and how she eventually lost interest. But I think I was somehow lucky to bring back that hope in her to like come back. I hope you are going to keep watch on this page and you'll see my interview with Khadija, my classmate, so you hear her own part of the story. But hey, please, restaurant, go and learn
Anytime.
how to cook the
Anytime.
genuine fried rice, for goodness sake, so that we will be eating what is called a fried rice. Thank you and over.
Anytime fried rice is mentioned, I remember